There is an entire gold mine on Amazon that most sellers completely ignore. This comes with low competition, high demand, and buyers are ready to pay more. And that is none other than Amazon Handmade. In this video, I'll show you how to tap into this hidden opportunity, get approved fast, and earn more with selling handmade products. If I search with Amazon Handmade on Google and enter this link, you can see this is a completely different section of Amazon. Right now, this page is showing promotion targeting Valentine's Day. Another way to enter this section is from Amazon storefront. Open this menu, go down and shop by department, see all, and find this handmade. Click on it and here you'll find the categories. Click on the top one to enter the handmade storefront. The main advantage of selling on Amazon Handmade is the competition is low. That's because if you want to sell on this section, you need to be approved by Amazon as an handmade seller. It's not like you open an account and start selling. And that's why very few sellers can have the opportunity to sell on Amazon Handmade. And the craziest thing is buyers even want to pay more to this kind of handmade products, and that makes it so much profitable. Now imagine, less competition, high demand, more profitable. Who doesn't want a part of this amazing program? But here's the tension. You need to know which type of products sell the most in this category. Later in this video, I'll show you some best-selling listings that is making handsome amount of revenue every month. And the cool thing is you can even sell the same product on Etsy and expand your business potential. Let's see what Amazon says about it. So go to this URL, and if you need to apply, you can just click here. But we need to see the process. If we go down, here is the step-by-step process written by Amazon. First, you need to open an account. If you have an individual account, then you must need a professional seller account. Once you have a professional account, apply to Amazon Handmade by confirming you meet their guidelines. You'll need to provide details about yourself, your product, and how you make them. After approval, you can start listing your products under handmade category. During the listing process, you need to classify your products as hand-altered, hand-designed, handcrafted, repurposed, or upcycled. If you don't have a product ID or UPC, you can request for an exemption. Then create your maker profile. This is your brand page where customers learn about you and your process. A strong profile helps you to build trust and makes your product stand out. Then you can expand your presence into other countries. If handmade is available in other countries, you can sell there too. You'll need a separate account for each region, but handmade approval applies across all regions. Just create a new maker profile with translated description for each country. So that's it. Once you set up, you can sell your handmade products to the millions of Amazon customers. Now let's dive deep and see the special requirements to sell handmade products on Amazon. First, who can sell on this section? Amazon Handmade is for approved makers who create handcrafted products. This includes individual artists, small businesses, and even collaborative groups like cooperatives, non-profits, and charities. Amazon doesn't let just anyone in. You have to apply and get approved to make sure your products are genuinely handmade. Now, what products can you sell on Amazon Handmade? Amazon Handmade is all about genuinely crafted products. Your item must fit into one of these categories. Hand altered. You take a pre-made item and customize it yourself, like you can customize a t-shirt or engrave a mug. Hand design. That's actually your own design or artwork. Handcrafted. That's actually made completely by hand using raw materials like handcrafted bowl or knitted sweater. Repurposed, you take an old thing and make it newer that people actually want to buy. Then comes upcycling. You improve the quality of an item like refinishing furniture or restoring the vintage jewelry. As long as your product is truly handmade and not mass produced, you are good to go. Amazon Handmade has specific categories for handmade products, including accessories like scarves, wallets, artwork such as printing, sculpture, baby products, but make sure they are handmade like blankets or toys, beauty and personal care products such as artisan soaps, lotions, candles. Then you can sell clothing, shoes, handbags, home and outdoor products such as decor, furniture, jewelry and watches, kitchen and dining, pet supplies, sporting goods, stationery and party supplies, toys and games. If your product doesn't fit into these categories, then you can't sell on Amazon Handmade. Now I would like to recommend you to read the Handmade listing policies and requirements before you proceed. If your product doesn't meet these requirements, then you won't approve for Handmade. So make sure your listings are clear, high quality and follow the rules. Good thing is, if you're already selling on Etsy, you can transfer your product details to Amazon. Here is the process. I will give the link in the description. And for the shipping, you can use either FBA or FBM. FBM will put a lot of pressure to you to fulfill those orders, and FBA will be much easier, but it will add some extra cost. Now let's see one of the most trendy product on Amazon Handmade section, which is a candle. Especially on Amazon Handmade section, it has a high demand. They are affordable, giftable and highly customizable. The demand for handmade candles is always strong, especially during the peak season like Valentine's Day. Customers love candles that offer something special, whether it's a luxury scent, natural ingredients, personalized label, or aesthetic packaging. Candles are also easy to brand and perfect for repeat customers. Shoppers also love artisan soaps because it's natural, customizable, and makes a great gift. Many buyers looking for soaps that is organic and chemical free. If you research on Amazon, you can find also some other high profitable categories that you can start with. If you are confused with selecting categories or products, or you already have a product but don't know how to start your Amazon journey, you can always consult with us. You can let us know in the comment below, or you can email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's all for today. Thanks for watching us, guys. See you in the next time.